Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri style Phirni. Phirni is a popular dessert and perfect to complete a grand meal. It's made of semolina or suji and milk. It's famous in Kashmir for Ramadan too. Ramadan is incomplete without Phirni. So let's get started. For making Phirni, I have taken around 1 cup of suji or semolina that I have soaked in water for now. Here you can see. And then I have taken milk powder around 1 cup or 250 grams. And then there's milk made. I am using it as a substitute of sugar. So here I'll show you. I'm using around 400 grams of this. I'm not adding sugar. Then I have taken dry fruits that include almonds, cashews, raisins and coconut scraps. So I have taken around 2 cups of water in a pan in any vessel or utensil, and then I'm adding the milk powder, dry milk powder, and I'll whisk it properly. Here you can see we have to mix it properly so that no lumps are formed. Here you can see. Once it's mixed properly, then we'll start boiling it, but we have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Here you can see I'll keep stirring it till it gets its boil. Here you can see it has started to boil. So at this stage I'll be adding suji or semolina, and we have to keep stirring so that it doesn't form any lumps. So you will keep stirring, and then I'm adding dry fruits that include raisins, cashews, almonds and coconut scraps. Here you can see we'll give it a good mix. I'm not adding any sugar. I'm going to add condensed milk or milk made. That gives a good flavor. So here you can see I've used almost 1 tin of it. You can just add before emptying whole tin in this. You can check the sugar quantity and adjust according to your taste. If you are not using this, then you can add around 1 cup of sugar, but I would suggest first add half of it, then see if you want more. It's stirring till it thickens a bit, and while it's getting cooked, at this stage you can check sweetness also, because you can't add sugar or any other sweet at later stage, so it's better to check it right now and then adjust according to your taste. The flame is low, so I'll keep it stirring so that it thickens. Here you can see I have already shown you other videos of making Phirni and even Phirni by Wazas. I'll be leaving link in the description box, and you can add dry fruits according to your choice. So these are basic dry fruits that I have added. And we have to remember that once it cools down, it will thicken more. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and transfer it to serving bowls or plates. So I have a fond childhood memory of serving Phirni in these plates. So here I have served it in plates and bowl too, and I have garnished it with some poppy seeds and some almonds and coconut. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.